Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to turn on voice navigation on Google Maps. First, search for your Maps app on your device. And if you open on your map, you will be able to see something like this. And to access the navigation settings in this application, click on the profile icon located on the top right hand of the screen. And from there, scroll down until you see the navigation settings option. Once you have reached the navigation settings, you will see the guidance volume option, and by default, it's set to software. But if you want to change it to normal or make it louder, you can do this by adjusting the settings accordingly. And if you want to keep the guidance volume softer, you can select the option as well. In the navigation settings, you will also find the voice selection option. By default, the voice will be English, but you can choose a different language if you prefer. You will see a list of available languages, such as Dutch and English. If you want to keep the default English, there's an option to play the voiceover over Bluetooth, which you can enable if desired. If you want to keep playing the voice during phone calls, you can also turn this on, and the main setting is play audio cues, so you must need to turn this on. So if you don't turn this on, you won't be able to receive the guidance. So there you have it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.